Hey guys, Alex here with Serious Goose Games. Welcome back to our Unity mobile idle game tutorial series. Last time we set up our first upgrade, and now we can make more money per click. Today we're going to set up our idle income so our game can truly become idle. We're going to start out by creating a new script called Idle Manager. So right-click in your scripts folder, create a new mono behavior script. Once that's done, go ahead and double-click to open it up. Once your script is open, we're going to start out with a couple namespaces. So we want to use break infinity. We also want to use system.collections. Next, we're going to add a couple variables. The first one is going to be a public big double called money per second. And then we're going to grab a reference to our currency manager. And then we want a constant float to determine how often the game ticks. So public, const, float, update, interval. And we're going to set this to 0.1f by default. Next, go to the bottom and create a private enumerator called idle tick. And inside here, we're going to do while true. So as long as this coroutine is running, we're going to yield, return new, wait for seconds, update interval. And then we're going to do currency manager dot add money. And we're going to do our money per second times our update interval. We can also get rid of start. We don't need that. We can also get rid of the update method. We don't need it. And inside start, we're going to start our coroutine. So start coroutine idle tick. And then we're going to assign our currency manager. So if currency manager is equal to null, currency manager is equal to find any object by type. And then we want to assign our currency manager. So currency manager is equal to get component currency manager, which means that this has to be attached to the same object. And once that's done, go ahead and save it. And let's head back to Unity. Now let's grab our game manager and attach our idle manager to it. Let's change our money per second to be 1, just so that we can see it working. And then go ahead and save your scene and hit play. And once we hit play, our money will automatically start going up by 1 per second. Because our update interval is set to 0.1, it's updating every 10th of a second. So every time it ticks, we should be getting 1/10, which is what we're seeing. And with our idle income, we can still click to get money and upgrade. And now that we have idle income, we can also start working on our idle upgrade. So that's what we will do in the next video. That's all for today, though. So if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In the comments, let me know if we should have some sort of incentive for different playstyles, like clicking gives an increasing bonus as long as you don't enter idle mode, or entering idle mode increases your money per second. I always like giving players options and different ways to play. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Alex with Serious Goose Games, and I'll see you in the next one.